In front of me is REALME 11 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Start by accessing your device's keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Now choose voice typing and click on the gray sweater next to it to activate it. When you're done, go back to your keyboard and click on No Visible Microphone. If you never used it before, click on While using the app in the pop-up, or if you wish to just try it, tap on Only this time. When you see Speak Now command, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. In order to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!